Decay of current in LR circuit. So let's say we have an inductor which had a current I naught going through it, and then suddenly we connect it with a resistor. So this switch doesn't mean that this circuit was open. Let's say this circuit was going somewhere and it was having an I naught current at a moment, and at t is equal to 0, this switch breaks that circuit and connects the inductor to a resistor. So again, at time t is equal to 0, we just have an inductor which already has I naught current going through it, and we have connected it to a resistor. So in time t, let's say current becomes I. So if this is the direction of current, so we'll put a minus here and minus here and use KVL. So starting from this point, minus L di by dt minus IR is equal to 0. So simplify this, di by I is equal to minus R by L dt. So we integrate it. Now limits of current will be I naught to I. Time will be 0 to t. So we get ln I by I naught is equal to minus RT by L, or I is equal to I naught e raised to power minus RT by L. So if you this time for the decay, if you plot the I versus time, you will get a exponentially reducing curve. Here the time constant tau is again L by R. So if you put L by R here, I will be I naught by E. Its value comes to be 0.37 I naught. Now let's calculate total thermal energy produced in the resistor. So there is some current going through the resistor and it's decreasing with time, and at infinite time that current is 0. So how much energy is dissipated in the resistor we need to find. So heat is equal to I square R dt, and I can write from here I naught square e power minus 2 RT by L times R dt. So I'll put the limits of time now from 0 to infinity, and what I'll get is this will become I naught square R times, so if you put infinity here, this term will become 0, and if you put 0 here, this term will become 1, so 1 upon minus 2R by L. So R will get cancelled, this will become L I naught square by 2, which is expected value, as this is the total thermal energy, total energy stored in the inductor. So this is the analysis of decay of current in LR circuit.